How to remove background noise in KineMaster. Now, in order to remove background noise in KineMaster, you just simply need to import your clip where you want to remove the background noise. And after importing the clip into KineMaster, it will show something like this in the editor section. Now, first of all, you just simply need to select the clip where you would like to remove the background noise, and after that just simply scroll into this menu bar and then you will get to see the option which says noise remover. Just simply select this noise remover option and after that tap to get plugin. Then it will start to download the requiring asset and it will process your video. It might take a little bit of time to remove the noise from your video, but after completing this process, when it goes to 100%, your video's background audio will be clean and noise will be gone. This is how you remove background noise in KineMaster. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.